You've probably heard the buzzword AI everywhere lately. It's not just an internet fad. Artificial intelligence is changing how we work, live, and even tell stories. And here's the interesting part. Most people don't know how they can profit from it. Well, if you want to get in on the action before everyone else figures out how, you're at the right place. You'll learn exactly what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and where to invest in this new economy. Okay, let's begin with what is AI. Well, as the name suggests, artificial intelligence is about machines acting like us smart humans. But hold on, machines mimicking human intelligence. How does that even work? So AI can learn just like us. We teach it by feeding lots of data, like tons of pictures of cats and dogs. Then we ask it to identify a new photo. Can it be a cat or a dog? Boom. It recognizes the features like floppy ears, a wagging tail, and spots. Voila! It tells us it's a dog. That's machine learning in action. The machine learned from experience without being explicitly programmed for it, and AI can also understand our language. Ever wonder how your phone translates your words into text? That's natural language processing, understanding the words we say, understanding their meaning, and even figuring out the best response. AI can also recognize patterns like faces, objects, even our voices. This makes it great at personalizing our experiences. Imagine Netflix recommending movies you'll love based on what you've watched before. Or your bank spotting unusual activity to keep your money safe. AI is making these things possible. It's not just about making computers smarter. It's about making them more helpful, or becoming partners in various fields. For example, doctors now have AI-powered tools that spot diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. And in finance, AI is helping to make better investment decisions. So here's a simple question. Should you invest in it? Well, considering AI's huge potential, my answer is a solid yes. In fact, Morgan Stanley predicts the AI boom will create a whopping $1 trillion investment opportunity. But where exactly should you put your money? Stay tuned and I'll spill the beans on where the big bucks are being made. Before we jump into the top stocks to buy, let's talk about 3 ways to invest in AI. That way you can decide which suits you best. Number 1, invest in AI ETFs. An ETF is like a basket holding multiple stocks. An AI ETF contains stocks from various companies involved in AI, spreading your investment across different players in the field. This is perfect for those who want a simple, diversified approach. They're ideal for beginners or those who don't want to spend time picking individual stocks. Plus, they're usually cheaper than actively managed funds. For instance, the Globalx Robotics and AI ETF bots focuses on pure-play AI and robotics companies worldwide. Another one is the Technology Select Sector Spider Fund XLK, which includes big tech giants like Microsoft and NVIDIA. Number 2, invest in individual AI stocks. If you're a bit more adventurous and want to focus on specific companies driving the AI revolution, buying individual stocks might be for you. This lets you dive deep into companies you believe in and could potentially yield higher returns. However, it also comes with more risk as the performance of individual stocks can be unpredictable. So thorough research is key. In a moment, I'll share some top picks for individual stocks. But first, let's look at our third option. Number 3, invest in AI-focused funds. These are investment funds that specifically target companies at the forefront of AI technology. They're managed by professionals who specialize in finding the best opportunities in the AI market. While these funds might charge higher fees due to the active management, they can be worth it for many investors, especially if you lack the time or expertise to manage your own AI investments. And here are my top picks for AI funds. The ARK Invest funds led by Kathy would have gained significant attention. Our flagship fund, the RKF, invests in next-generation technologies, including AI. Another one is the Innovation Fund FNX, known for its early adoption of AI-related technologies. Both funds have a concentrated portfolio of around 40 to 50 stocks, offering exposure to various aspects of the AI industry. The T. Rowe Price U.S. Technology Fund PRUSX, managed by T. Rowe Price, is another top choice. This fund has a well-established track record of success and a focus on large-cap growth stocks within the technology sector, including several AI-driven companies. If you prefer a more passive approach, consider the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, VGT. This fund tracks the performance of the MSCI US IMX US Technology Index, providing broad exposure to the US tech market, including AI-focused companies. Each of these funds brings its own unique approach and expertise to investing in AI. Remember, it's important to research and choose a fund that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Now let's delve into my top stock picks for investing in AI. Kicking off our list at number 5. We have Meta Platforms. Meta. Yes, the company behind Facebook might not be the first on your AI list, but hear me out. They're pouring billions into building the metaverse. A world powered by AI, their large language model, Llama 2, is open source and free to use, fostering a community of developers creating new AI tools. Moreover, Meta is integrating AI into Instagram and Facebook. Think AI-powered filters and content recommendations. With AI at the core of their future products, Meta is poised to benefit immensely from this technological shift. Next up, at No. 4, we have Salesforce CRM. Salesforce is a customer relationship management platform, but they're infusing it with AI magic. Their new features include Einstein GPT, which uses OpenAI's GPT technology for sales forecasting and personalized customer service. This can analyze customer data, predict trends, and automate tasks, making businesses more efficient and productive. Salesforce is also integrating AI into its marketing and commerce clouds, allowing businesses to create hyper-personalized customer experiences. As businesses increasingly adopt AI, Salesforce is there to help them integrate it into their operations, positioning itself as a key player in the AI-driven economy. At No. 3, we have Adobe AdB. In the world of creativity, Adobe is a household name. Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, you name it. But now they're diving headfirst into AI. Adobe Firefly is their answer to DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, generating images from text prompts. Adobe Sensei is their AI tool enhancing various Adobe apps. It powers the Photoshop generative fill, making selections, masking, healing, and even removing backgrounds automatically. Adobe is also exploring AI for video, offering tools for editing and generating clips. As a leader in creative software, Adobe is harnessing AI to enhance its offerings, making creativity easier and more accessible. Now we reach the top 2 stocks on our list, each offering a unique perspective on the AI revolution.
Starting with No. 2, we have Oracle, ORCL.
Often called the godfather of enterprise software, Oracle is a database and software giant. But now they're infusing their offerings with AI. Their new service, Oracle AI, provides pre-trained AI models for developers to build applications quickly. It covers areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and industrial automation. Oracle is also embedding AI into its cloud services and autonomous database, helping businesses with tasks like fraud detection, personalized recommendations, and predictive maintenance. As businesses continue to adopt Oracle's solutions, the company is set to benefit from the growing demand for AI integration. And finally, at number 1, the top stock on our list is NVIDIA, NVDA. NVIDIA is a name synonymous with graphics cards, but they've quietly become a powerhouse in AI. Their GPUs are the backbone of AI computing, handling the complex calculations needed for training AI models. NVIDIA has also developed the CUDA platform, a suite of tools that accelerate AI development. They're also venturing into other AI-related areas like robotics and self-driving cars. As AI continues to evolve, NVIDIA remains at the forefront, making it a must-have in any AI-focused portfolio. Investing in the top stocks mentioned can potentially yield high returns. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research. Diversify your portfolio and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.